Hello YouTube friend, welcome back to the Newcar TV channel. Don't forget to like, comments, subscribe and share.
Volvo introduced the XC60 in 2008 and rolled out the second generation model 10 years later. This compact model is the middle of three Volvo crossovers. Since its 2018 rollout, the XC60 has gone through light changes. A T8 recharged plug-in model was introduced in 2021. LED adaptive headlights with automatic high beams were new for 2021, as is steering assist with the standard blind spot monitoring. We expect the 2022 XC60 to be a carryover, although a light design refresh is possible. The Volvo XC60 is a compact crossover utility vehicle with standard front-wheel drive and available all-wheel drive. Like other Volvo models, this one features a signature grille that's pressed in by Thor's hammer headlamps. Its dimensions include a high belt line that flows upward at the rear. Character lines, big wheel wells, and pronounced body sculpting complete the profile. Oversized tail lamps accent the rear. Inside, the XC60 supplies room for 5. The cabin is smartly laid out with ergonomics ruling how the display and controls are placed. The console sits low. We give the XC60 high marks for superb fit and finish. The front thrones are roomy, very comfortable, and offer excellent support. The rear bench seat supplies ample room for 3 adults without much fuss. The cargo space measures 30 cubic feet behind the second row and 50 cubic feet behind the first row. The XC60 comes with a 9-inch touchscreen display and a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster. A 10-speaker audio system, USB ports, Bluetooth, and Android Auto and Apple CarPlay smartphone compatibility are also included. Among the upgrades is a 14-speaker Harman Kardon or 15-speaker Harman Kardon audio system and navigation. Volvo equips the XC60 with a 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine. That engine makes 250 horsepower and 258 pound-feet of torque in the T5 edition. With a supercharger added, Volvo turns up the heat to deliver 316 horsepower and 295 pound-feet of torque in the all-wheel drive T6 edition. Power travels to the wheels by means of a smooth shifting 8-speed automatic transmission. The T8 Recharge uses the same engine as the T6 and adds an electric motor and a battery pack. Combined power reaches 400 horsepower and 472 pound-feet of torque. This model has a 19-mile all-electric range. A special Polestar engineered version delivers 415 horsepower and 494 pound-feet of torque. Volvo includes a suite of standard driver assist safety equipment. In particular, every trim comes with automatic emergency braking, active blind spot monitoring, oncoming mitigation by braking, oncoming lane mitigation, run-off-road mitigation, and adaptive cruise control. The XC60 holds top scores from the FS and the NHTSA. Pricing and release date. Volvo hasn't shared a release date yet, but we expect the 2022 XC60 to arrive in showrooms this summer. The 2022 XC60's pricing will most likely stay near the current model's price range. That range spans from $42,795 to $71,290, including destination fees. Thank you for watching this channel. Wait for the next video and don't forget to like, comments and subscribe.